when the results came. So हम सब excited थे, nervous भी थे. Ragging has its good parts and bad parts, I would say. So yeah, I think it was for 21 days that formally the ragging would not end, and after that it was like no ragging at all. But those 21 days made you a bit nervous. I would say very nervous, but at the same time that also broke a lot of ice. A lot of learning in IIT happens outside the classroom. I think much more outside the classroom as compared to inside the classroom. One thing I still love about it is that the basic character has not changed. And somehow it's not only nostalgia, but I still think there is a character to an institution and IIT Delhi has maintained it so well. Mindset जो है वो फिर भी हम लोगों का थोड़ा सा हार्ड स्किल्स पर ज़्यादा जाता है, चाहे वो फाइनेंस हो, स्ट्रेटेजी हो. बट आई थिंक समथिंग वी शुड आई वुड से थोड़ा सा हमें राइट ब्रेन ज़्यादा यूज़ करना चाहिए, पर्टिकुलरली फॉर पीपल फ्रॉम इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड, क्योंकि वी आर स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑन लेफ्ट ब्रेन इन एनी केस. तो चाहे वो म्यूज़िक हो, चाहे वो किसी भी तरह की सॉफ्ट स्किल्स हों, वर्क ऑन दैट. Hi, I am Achal Agarwal. I am an alumnus of IIT Delhi 1991 batch. I was in Kumaon and in mechanical engineering. I am currently co-heading the AI and data science line of business for Nagarro, which is a digital engineering company.
Hi folks, welcome to this episode of Dil Se Aaye Delhi podcast. Today we have the privilege of sitting with Mr. Achal Agarwal, who is an alumni of the batch of 1991 from Mechanical Engineering and is a co-head of AI, ML and Data Sciences in Nagarro. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you.
How do you feel to be back, sir?
It's always a pleasure to be back on campus. I think the time stands still here, so I just love to be here with the folks anytime.
और ऐसी कौन सी जगह है आई थिंक जहाँ आपको बहुत यादें बहुत सारी जुड़ी हैं?
I think by default it would be the hostel. Because I think we spend most of our time there, good and bad. Mostly good, of course.
हाँ.
And yeah, I think like wind tunnel, Sam Hall, Convo Hall, department. I think we got a lot of scolding in the laboratories here by the professors. So I should not ignore that. The KLS Dhaba, Sasi Dhaba, SEC. I think all the places where we have spent a lot of time, I can recollect, and it's always so nice to reminisce about them.
But how was it when you got to know that you got into IIT Delhi?
I mean, the things have not changed over the years, I would say, for children, and it's always a dream, and you have been working very hard towards it. So I think it's like 2 years or more of some sort of rigorous effort that you are putting in. You don't even know what it would be like getting into it, but yeah, you are working hard towards it.
Absolutely.
So I was having a set of friends, and all of us were working hard towards it. So I recollect when the results came. So हम सब excited थे, nervous भी थे, but as we saw, तो पहले अपना result देखा तो everybody in the family, they had tears and they were happy, and then the phone calls started happening.
Yeah.
So I think it's a lot of effort that comes to fruition at that point of time, which is what makes it worth it, but of course makes you a very bit nervous also in the process.
पर जब आप कैंपस में आए तो was it very difficult to sort of engage with other people?
No, I won't say that. So we started, we took the rooms in the hostel. I think that's the first step.
बिल्कुल.
And as we came in, there were others who were also coming in. People were mostly from similar backgrounds. Yeah, I think initial couple of days it was familiarizing, but at our time, well, there was ragging. And ragging has its good parts and bad parts, I would say. So yeah, I think it was for 21 days that formally the ragging would not end. And after that, it was like no ragging at all. But those 21 days made you a bit nervous. I would say very nervous. But at the same time, that also broke a lot of ice. I mean, आप स्कूल एनवायरनमेंट से, घर के एनवायरनमेंट से निकल के आते हो,
बिल्कुल।
तो जो चेंज होता है, आई थिंक इट ऑल्सो हेल्प अस स्टार्ट कोपिंग विद लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, जो एक हॉस्टल एनवायरनमेंट देता है, एन एनवायरनमेंट अवे फ्रॉम होम होता है, तो एंड दैट ऑल्सो आप अपने कलीग्स के साथ रैग हो रहे होते हो, उसमें भी दोस्ती होती है, और आपको कोई रैग कर रहा होता है पोस्ट रैगिंग, उनसे बहुत अच्छी दोस्ती होती है। तो आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ दोज थिंग्स हैपन। तो ये ज़रूर कहा जाए कि वो जो फर्स्ट 3 वीक्स थे, दैट वाज नॉट वेरी कंफर्टेबल, बट दैट रियली पुश्ड यू इनटू इट वेरी फास्ट।
बिल्कुल।
सो या आई वोंट से इट वाज डिफ़िकल्ट टू मैनेज, बट या वो उस पीरियड को ही सबसे टफ पीरियड भी है, बट सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पीरियड भी था।
फेयर है। चलते हैं, कुछ आपकी यादें ताज़ा करेंगे वेंटी में।
श्योर।
हर तरीके से
मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग नेचुरल भी इसी में ही है। इंग्लिश इज़ एन एक्वायर्ड लैंग्वेज फाइनली। तो
Absolutely.
मतलब इंग्लिश सबकी हमारे यहाँ अब अच्छी तो हो गई है, एट द एज आके तो हो ही जाती है, बट आई थिंक सबसे ज़्यादा नेचुरल फ्लो यही है जिसमें हम बात कर रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल,
है ना?
क्या आपके बैच में भी ये सब इश्यूज थे कि पीपल वर नॉट फेमिलियर विद द लैंग्वेज एंड दे फाउंड डिफिकल्ट इन द कैंपस?
आई थिंक दैट वे IIT एनवायरनमेंट जो है, यू गेट पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर,
बिल्कुल।
एंड इट्स अ बिग मिक्स। तो I think in a lot of ways that adjustment is there for everyone.
Yeah.
English is one part, and that's a big part, I would say. But I think even in terms of background,
Yeah.
there were people who might be coming from some rural background, somebody from urban background, and कोई all boys school से आया हुआ है,
बिल्कुल।
कोई co-ed से आया हुआ है, तो there's a lot of variation and lot of adjustment in so many ways.
बिल्कुल। क्या वो समय जब आप ये चीज़ें फिगर आउट कर रहे थे एंड यू फाउंड योरसेल्फ ऑन द कैंपस, व्हाट इज द कॉमन थ्रेड दैट यू स्टिल सॉर्ट ऑफ गो बैक टू इन टर्म्स ऑफ having those meaningful conversations with other people who are from IIT or from other diverse backgrounds as well?
So if I could get the question कि जब हम अपने दोस्तों के साथ बैठते हैं,
वो सर क्या है जो आपने IIT से लिया,
right?
जो आप अभी भी यूटिलाइज करते हैं?
Okay. So I think a lot of learning in IIT happens outside the classroom. I think much more outside the classroom as compared to inside the classroom. So you learn to live, you learn to interact, you learn to understand people in so many ways. जैसे hostel environment है, you are there 24/7 for 4 years, and you start with people in some way, and then over a period of time आप बहुत चीज़ें एनालाइज कर रहे होते हो, सबकॉन्शियसली कॉन्शियसली यू वर्क विद देम, एंड देयर इज़ नो प्रिटेंस, नथिंग दैट इज़ आई मीन कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं है किसी से। तो वो जो एनवायरनमेंट का फील है, तो यू टेंड टू लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ दोज थिंग्स, राइट? और इस प्रोसेस में दैट इज़ वन पार्ट ऑफ थिंग्स जो आप सीखते हो लाइफ के बारे में। बट एट द सेम टाइम IIT की रिगर, IIT का जो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस है टू टेक ऑन एनीथिंग, मतलब आपको समहाउ दैट इज़ समथिंग विच गेट्स इनग्रेन्ड इन सम वेज कि ठीक है जो आएगा देख लेंगे, कर लेंगे,
बिल्कुल,
है ना?
बिल्कुल।
वो एक थॉट है। सो दोज टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स ऑल्सो यू टेंड टू टेक बैक फ्रॉम IIT सबकॉन्शियसली, आई वुड से।
बिल्कुल। वी आर द famous Venti.
Oh yes.
Any fond memory that you have from this place?
Mostly from times around festivals like Rendezvous and
Yeah.
all. So
Yeah.
I mean, this was the place for a lot of activities, events. There was, I think, कुछ ना कुछ एक्टिविटी एक्स हॉल में चल रही है, सैम हॉल में चल रही है, विंड टनल में तो मतलब भीड़ ही लगी रहती थी।
बिल्कुल।
सो आई थिंक यू टेंड टू रिमेंबर। और बाकी भी आई थिंक अगर एकेडमिक्स के हिसाब से भी देखें तो यहीं से ही साइकिल्स पर या भागते हुए आप रैंप से चढ़ के जा रहे हो।
बिल्कुल।
और आई थिंक आई शुड नॉट से दैट, लेकिन कंप्यूटर सेंटर से फर्स्ट ईयर में सब बच्चे जो थे हमारे यहाँ रात को प्रिंट फाइल कर देते थे, और वो सुबह आके वो इतना मोटा पोथा ले जाते थे फॉर रफ वर्क. So not the right thing to do, but I think that is how it was. Everybody had so rims of paper which were not printed effectively but
Yeah.
used for rough work and all. So there are some weird memories at every point that we go around the campus.
Absolutely. You have seen the SEM hall. Now it has been also been upgraded recently.
Not recently.
Not recently. Oh. So the architecture has remained the same.
Yeah.
But the chairs and the interiors have gone over some change.
Interesting.
Please.
Wow, very nice. So all the infrastructure is changed now, it seems.
Yeah, it's going upgradation all throughout.
Yeah.
And as we spoke earlier off the camera about the hostels and all, you are already aware.
Yeah.
What sort of a viewpoint do you have about whatever is going on in terms of the infrastructural changes and the institution's role in sort of keeping up with the requirements of the times?
Yeah, I think so. In the recent years, whenever I visited the campus, one thing I still love about it is that the basic character has not changed, and somehow it's not only nostalgia, but I still think there is a character to an institution, and IIT Delhi has maintained it so well. Having said that, infrastructure is something which definitely needs an upgrade,
Yeah.
and it is so nice to see that some of these things are happening which have been long due.
Yep.
So yeah, I mean, I have seen this. I have seen the LHC, and I really like the way the things are coming up. I think there's a lot to be done, but yeah, the steps are in the right direction.
So that's great to hear, sir. Coming from an alumni who also happens to have his daughters as IITians as well. How does it look at home? Is there some tiff going on, some generational things that you realize are different?
Well, I think the biggest tiff that is always there is if I am coming to the campus, then the children will say कि आप क्यों आ रहे हो कैंपस में. कहता हूँ यार मैं भी यहीं से ही alumnus हूँ, so I think I deserve to be here.
Yeah.
So if I just want to come to rendezvous
Yeah.
During the festival time, so I know I am going to face such a lot of resistance कि वो बच्चे कहेंगे you are not coming here, not at this time. So that type of tiff is there.
Interesting. But do you hear any sort of change or a difference of opinion in terms of how they perceive the institute versus how you did?
I think a lot of activities have started happening. So I don't think they can compare it so well as I can, because I have seen that side and I am seeing it now from the point of view of children. So I think we were, I think, relatively a less aware lot when we came to campus. I mean, for us, it was the finish line. I mean, we never thought of it कि आगे क्या है. मतलब at least lot of us.
Sure.
I am sure some of us were better than what I was. तो हमारे को बहुत clarity नहीं थी. And the options post IIT भी मतलब क्या था, some people, many of us were planning to go abroad. Some were looking for appearing for CAT and going to IIMs. कुछ एक IAS का वो था. आज की डेट में अवेयरनेस भी ज़्यादा है, ऑप्शंस भी ज़्यादा हैं और ऑन कैंपस एक्टिविटीज़ भी थोड़ी ज़्यादा हैं. एंड इट आई फाइंड थोड़ा स्ट्रेसफुल भी ज़्यादा है इस वजह से, बिकॉज यू आर पुल्ड इनटू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. तो मैनेज करना पड़ता है वो प्रेशर. तो या आई वुड से इट्स अ मिक्स. आई वुड सम गुड सम बैड. थोड़ा सा वो प्रेशर ज़्यादा है, बट अवेयरनेस होने की वजह से फिर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ भी ज़्यादा हैं.
That's fair. At the same time, sir, ठीक है, मतलब ये तो एक पार्ट है इंस्टीट्यूशन का. I think you would also want to visit your department.
Yeah, sure.
Wait, angles are okay? So we just went to the seminar hall.
Yeah.
And you spoke about how it is different for your daughters, and you, as you've seen both those times, and then Obviously, culturals is one thing,
Yeah.
and you also spoke about the aspects of your masters,
Yeah.
right? So you were in mechanical and you switched to then
Energy.
energy studies.
Yeah.
What was the prompt at that time?
Right. So I pursued my master's in energy, and I won't say it was a very different choice from mechanical, because energy is a combination of mechanical and electrical and other departments in some way.
Yeah.
So, one, of course, I saw that this could be a potential area for career, but at the same time, at that time, I was planning to appear for UPSC, and IIT is a perfect place if you want to be in that study mindset
Absolutely.
with all the colleagues and
Definitely.
friends. So that was a good time to study, self-study while pursuing and also learning something new
Fair.
in this space.
Fair. And then you also have finished your PGPX from
Correct.
IIM Ahmedabad.
Yeah.
Yeah. What sort of mindset goes into actually choosing a executive program versus maybe a one which is full time right after college?
So I went to IIM much later in life.
Yeah.
That was 2006-7.
Yeah.
And the good thing was it was a very conscious choice when I was making it. So when you are pursuing MBA right after your bachelor's, it's, I think, you are in that study mode and you continue doing it.
Yeah.
But after years in the industry, you have sort of made some choices in terms of direction, in terms of what you want to pursue.
Yes.
And a MBA at that stage, it was a full-time program, but a one-year program.
Bilkul.
So a MBA at that stage you have a lot of perspective from the background. You have a very strong reason why you are doing it at that stage.
Sure.
So I think that really helps compared to something that you do right after a college
Yeah.
degree.
Welcome home.
Always so nice to be here. I last came here in the reunion, 25th reunion.
Yeah. When was it? What year?
What was that? तो हम 91 में किया तो 2006, 2005, sorry 2020. What I'm saying?
I think 2015, huh?
Correct.
16, 15.
हाँ.
Right. I think last 7 years or like whatever, 10 years, I think it's shifted a lot. The COVID thing happened.
Oh, yes.
Right. And sort of the development has happened on a quicker pace.
Oh yes.
Right.
Definitely.
At the time of your reunion, I don't think the LHC was there.
No, LHC was not there.
Right.
Correct.
But as the campus has changed, I think this is still remains a
Yeah.
relic of the past.
So yeah, I think as I said earlier, मुझे लगता है campus का एक basic character है which has not changed.
बिल्कुल.
And this of course needs to be changed,
Yeah.
but this has not changed, which of course brings in lot more memories.
Sure.
But yeah, it deserves to now upgrade.
Let's go inside.
Sure. Yeah. Jai Kumar.
Any memory with the warden as well?
देखो यार, एक्चुअली मेमोरीज में ना ज़्यादातर बहुत सेंसर हो जाती हैं सारी चीज़ें. दिक्कत ये है.
No worries. So we'll come back to the aspect of how you mentioned so many alumni of IIT being part of your journey throughout,
Yeah.
right? And Nagaro being a hub of them as well.
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Being founded by an IITian, you heading a department as an IITian,
Yeah.
and innumerable people looking sort of to gain employment there as well,
Yeah.
right? What sort of an advice do you have for those students कि वो क्या करें that they are actually looking forward to the world of maybe Nagarro itself or AI, ML, and data sciences?
Okay. So आई थिंक स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी बहुत अवेयर हैं और बहुत सारी चीज़ें तो क्लीशेड होंगी, इसलिए मेरे को उन पर नहीं जाना चाहिए. बट आई थिंक द एडवांटेज इन जनरल व्हेन चिल्ड्रन आर हेयर ऑन कैंपस, यू विल फील अ लॉट ऑफ सेटबैक ड्यूरिंग दिस 4 year प्रोसेस, क्योंकि आपके ग्रेड्स पे आप स्ट्रगल कर रहे होंगे, आप क्लब्स में एंटर करने में स्ट्रगल कर रहे होंगे, बट दैट इज़ अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ दिस एनवायरनमेंट.
Yeah.
And even though it looks tough, but it is also grooming you in some way. So don't be too stressed about it.
Fair.
It's okay. आज की डेट में by default मैं तो जितने when I'm meeting say people who from a hiring point of view, AI ML is the buzzword. Almost everybody has done projects, internships कर रखी होती हैं, तो वो मेरे को लगता है फोकस ऑन द बेसिक्स.
Yeah.
अगर उस पे स्पेसिफिक टेक साइड में बात करें, यू शुड बी गुड विद एल्गोरिथम्स, यू शुड बी गुड विद बेसिक थिंग्स, क्योंकि दीज टेक्नोलॉजीज आर अपग्रेडिंग सो फास्ट
Absolutely.
कि आप ये भी नहीं कह सकते कि यार आई एम वेरी गुड विद AI, क्योंकि आज आप कुछ कहते हो 3 महीने बाद वो चेंज हो रहा होता है.
बिल्कुल.
इट इज मूविंग सो फास्ट.
बिल्कुल.
बट आई थिंक बेसिक्स स्टिल रिमेन द सेम. आई मीन, आर यू गुड विद the algorithms,
Yeah.
the basic way of thinking of how to do things.
बिल्कुल.
I think that is important. और अगर वैसे on a bigger note, I would say don't stress yourself out too hard. मेरे को लगता है क्योंकि ज़्यादा बड़ी प्रॉब्लम in an environment like IIT is कि you are in a very very high competitive space.
Absolutely.
All the time you are working or competing with students who have a very strong caliber in any case.
Yeah.
आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड के कंपैरिजन में थोड़ी ज़्यादा मेहनत वैसे ही कर रहे होते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
तो आपको क्या है, टेक इट ईजी, कुछ हो नहीं जाएगा.
हाँ.
है ना. मतलब लाइफ में आई थिंक बिल्ड योर रिलेशनशिप्स एंड फ्रेंडशिप्स ऑल्सो अ लॉट.
बिल्कुल.
वो अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा पार्ट है
बिल्कुल.
रियल लाइफ में.
बिल्कुल.
आपकी अपनी पर्सनैलिटी के हिसाब से वो ट्रस्ट, वो अफेक्शन आपको बहुत आगे तक हेल्प करता है इन सो मैनी वेज.
बिल्कुल.
सो आई थिंक focus on the hard skills, focus on the soft skills. Don't overstress yourself. It's okay. I
Right.
think that would be one message I would have.
What sort of perspective do you have of the wide view in terms of AI, ML, and data sciences are being used in n number of spaces and n number of industries?
True.
Right. It calls for a more well-rounded graduate.
Yeah.
Right. And obviously the times are changing and there are n number of curriculum changes as well. But आप कैसे देखते हैं कि ठीक है, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एक एस्पेक्ट है,
Yeah.
बट हाउ डज वन डेवलप सॉफ्ट स्किल्स?
Yeah, actually, this is a good question. The thing is, soft skills, मुझे लगता है it's a personality thing in some way. It is, again, हम लोग we come from backgrounds. भाई घर के अंदर, दोस्तों में, we in any case thrive on relationships in some way.
Yeah.
लेकिन क्या होता है कि in terms of a cutthroat competition, जो कि आप बचपन से करने लग जाते हो sadly, वो क्या होता है, you are sacrificing something, and I would say success comes with sacrifice. So I am not denying that. You have to work hard, you have to be competitive.
Yep.
So that's not, I mean, you cannot do without it. But कहीं पर कुछ बैलेंसिंग चाहिए. मुझे लगता क्या है कि हम लोग कई बार वो मिस कर जाते हैं. आप कॉम्पीट कर रहे हो, ओवर कॉम्पीट मत करो इन सम वे, अगर देखा जाए. राइट. कहीं पर लर्न टू एडजस्ट. इट्स ओके इफ अदर्स विन, राइट, एंड मे बी यू विल विन विद देम, राइट. कुछ वो थॉट आपको चाहिए. इट इज that's the way to make your life better, have a more balanced life.
Yep.
और जो तुमने soft skill वाला सवाल जैसे किया, तो I think this is that part. I mean, do for others without an expectation. I think somewhere that will help.
Absolutely, है ना? Absolutely. और क्या कुमाऊं के उसमें DNA में ये चीज़ें हैं, और क्या
Yeah.
क्या और ऐसी DNA में चीज़ें होनी चाहिए जो अब आप सोचते हैं कि अच्छा ये बेटर हो सकता था?
देखो, हम लोगों की जनरेशन में एक एडवांटेज थी कि वो इंफॉर्मेशन थी लेकिन ओवर इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं थी इन सम वे. सोशल मीडिया और ये चीज़ें जो थी दे वर नॉट हिटिंग अस सो हार्ड ऑल द टाइम.
Yeah.
आप तो क्या था कि जब आप आते थे 16, 17, 18 साल की एज में कॉलेज पे, तो यू वर जस्ट ऑन द कैंपस, पढ़ाई करना है, बाकी टाइम आप कोई स्विमिंग कर रहा है, कोई कुछ खेल रहा है, कोई बातें कर रहा है, एंड इंटरेक्शंस बहुत हाई थे.
बिल्कुल.
आज की डेट में क्या है, बहुत आइसोलेशन वैसे भी होने लग गया है बच्चों का. तो मुझे लगता है कि मतलब वेल इट वुड बी ट्रू फॉर ऑल द हॉस्टल्स, बट आई कैन डेफिनेटली से फॉर कुमाऊं, हम लोग तो पढ़ाई में भी थोड़े से ज़्यादातर कम ही थे. तो इसलिए हमारे तो क्या है कि डीएनए में वो ज़्यादा था जो सॉफ्ट स्किल्स हैं.
राइट.
आई थिंक एज आई सेड, बहुत ज़्यादा कॉम्पिटिटिव जब हो जाते हो तो आप थोड़ा कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ ज़्यादा कर रहे होते हो, वो बैलेंसिंग ज़रूरी है.
बिल्कुल.
और आई थिंक you can very well inculcate as an individual, as a family, I think, but work towards that.
बिल्कुल. Sir, IIT is a leading institution for the country, right? And sure, आप एक this institution is providing a platform for graduates to be leaders in the industry, right? आप बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे कि बहुत individualistic हो जाते हैं लोग, competition बहुत है, but a person who is managing a 200 plus team, right? Who needs to delegate, who needs to think about other stakeholders, वो कैसे students better कर सकते हैं? How can they think about the bigger picture?
Yeah, I think very often these things happen as you move into those positions of responsibility.
Fair.
Yeah, I mean, it's difficult to teach them. और इंस्टीट्यूट्स भी कोशिश करते हैं कि कई बार कुछ कोर्सेज ऐसे लेके आएँ, बट आई थिंक ऑन द जॉब इन सिचुएशंस, लर्निंग फ्रॉम योर सीनियर्स इन एनी एनवायरनमेंट, आई थिंक दोज थिंग्स हेल्प अ लॉट. क्योंकि आपको इसका कोई ईजी मेथड नहीं है. इवन बी स्कूल्स व्हेन दे टॉक ऑफ सॉफ्ट कोर्सेज,
बिल्कुल.
आई थिंक स्टूडेंट्स टेंड टू इग्नोर देम और कीप देम ऑन लो प्रायोरिटी.
Okay.
माइंडसेट जो है वो फिर भी हम लोगों का थोड़ा सा हार्ड स्किल्स पर ज़्यादा जाता है, चाहे वो फाइनेंस हो, स्ट्रेटेजी हो. बट आई थिंक समथिंग वी शुड, आई वुड से, थोड़ा सा हमें राइट ब्रेन ज़्यादा यूज़ करना चाहिए, पर्टिकुलरली फॉर पीपल फ्रॉम इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड, क्योंकि वी आर स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑन लेफ्ट ब्रेन इन एनी केस. तो चाहे वो म्यूज़िक हो, चाहे वो किसी भी तरह की सॉफ्ट स्किल्स हों, वर्क ऑन दैट, मीट मोर पीपल, रिलेशनशिप्स पे इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए. डोंट, एज आई सेड, let others win. I mean, somewhere you have to have that mindset कि it's okay if others win, then perhaps you will also win. तो think about that. I think वो important है. कहीं पर we have to look also at the big picture. कोई चीज़ें उस तरह की hobbies inculcate कर सकते हो, astronomy हुआ या कुछ हुआ, which take you away from the routine things, which are very very hard in terms of skills. Right.
Sure.
And all those things in some way will contribute to that sort of leadership where you are balancing the aspects of hard and soft skills.
Yes. Coming to the aspect of how IIT alumni have reached a lot of leadership positions in different industries, right? There is an aspect of the exchange between the current community in IIT Delhi and the alumni.
Yeah.
Right. How do you envision this relationship?
I think we have not done enough.
Okay.
I mean, while we all love the institute, and I am sure none of us in any forum would ever not feel indebted to the institute, to the hostel environment, to the colleagues, to the friends. मेरे को लगता है वो तो we all appreciate it, but have we done enough? Can we do enough for making it better for the students who are here? I think there should be more in some way. So maybe it could be more interactions, maybe it could be more support, not necessarily financial, but in some ways, maybe in terms of mentoring students in various forums in different ways.
Yep.
Could be work, could be outside work, but I think वो थोड़ा सा किसी ना किसी फॉर्म में हमें ज़्यादा करना चाहिए. So I am myself a culprit, so I should not claim it from a high ground. But yeah, I think that is what would be good if we can do.
Right. Any sort of last message? This podcast, this platform is called Dil Se IIT Delhi Podcast.
Yeah.
Right, and this conversation I hope has been Dil Se, right?
Yeah, of
It has
course.
been Dil Se. What is the last sort of advice, message, or anything that you would want to say, Dil Se, to the community out there,
To the students,
whole community as a whole, or even if you have a subset, please. That's your camera.
okay. So I think two parts to the messages. One, to the fellow alumni. I think I love you guys. Whatever. I think I have got memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks to all of you, and I think for the love and trust and everything that I received from you in my weak moments and happy memories in my good moments. So love you all. The other part to the message is to the community today, and as I said earlier, to the students, work hard. You would do good in any case, and good, I won't say just in terms of financials. I think you would be successful in so many ways. So don't overdo in terms of stress. I think that itself is a big thing in IITs. You tend to burn out, you tend to overstretch yourself. Take it easy. We are all very small stories in the overall scheme of things. So just relax, chill, enjoy.
Thank you, sir. It's lovely to sort of have to sit down on this ground
Oh,
and
yes.
then right in front of Kumau, your
Correct.
home. I just want to know a couple of things, right? I just want to know your inclinations. It could be a rapid fire,
Okay,
right? Let us know what you feel.
sure.
Your first day in the institute versus your last day in the institute. What do you prefer?
First day, a bit nervous.
Yeah.
Last day, a bit nostalgic.
Huh. Which do you prefer though?
Uh, Actually, both have some sad elements, so a bit difficult.
Right.
I would say after the last day, whenever I have visited campus, those are like my very fond memories.
Yeah.
Because you tend to recollect so much from the hostel days.
Yeah.
But yeah, coming back to the specific question, I think maybe okay. I'll go with the first day.
Right. Kumau versus your department.
Kumau, of course.
KLS or the mess?
Careless.
Fair. Vinti or the library?
I hardly went to the library. I think once in 4 years. So
Yeah,
Vinti.
Vinti. What about your current life or your student life?
Oh, any day, student life.
Amazing, amazing. Right. I think that brings us to the end of the show.
Sure.
I think we could actually just go on conversing about the hostel or the department,
know.
right?
Yeah.
But thank you for taking the time out. Thank you for visiting the campus with us.
It's an absolute pleasure. And I'll be more than happy to be on campus whenever I can, whenever I'm given an opportunity. Thanks a lot for calling me.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.